Hello there, welcome. So I went into the beauty supply store and I saw this product and I thought I would like to try it out. So this is the Isoplus Anti-Breakage Deep Repair Conditioner, and this is how it looks, and this is what the product is looking like in the bottle. So it's nice and creamy, and it does smell like a cocoa-like smell, so that's not bad. These are the ingredients that are in this particular product, and it only contains one silicone ingredient. And of course, there's no protein in this particular product. However, this last ingredient that was on the listing, this is what I found out when I was doing some research. So you can pause the video and read it. And if you would like us to discuss it some more, then let me know in the comment section. So this is my wash day, and this is how my hair is looking before I wash it. And I did do a trim some time ago, so this is how the ends are looking. I do self trim, so if you have not yet seen that video, then I'll leave that video link in the description below so you can check it out. And you can also let me know what you think about how my hair is now looking. So of course I'm going to go in and shampoo my hair or wash my hair. And these are the shampoos that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the Tresemme shampoo, and this shampoo does contain sulfate, and then I'm going to be using the Motion shampoo, which does not contain any sulfate. So what I'm going to do the Tresemme shampoo first. I'm going to use that shampoo first and then get my hair nice and clean, especially my scalp area more so than even my hair. And then once I've done doing that, then I'll definitely go in now with the Motion shampoo now to add back some moisture to my hair, because this shampoo is way more moisturizing than the Tresemme, and it does not contain any sulfate, so that means that it's going to be more gentle on my hair. Once I've done that, then I go in and I rinse my hair and towel blot. Instead of using a Y2 comb to detangle my hair, I'm using my finger, so I'm finger detangling. And I believe that this is way more easier for me and perhaps will cause less breakage. So I just use my fingers and just detangle it as much as I possibly can. Of course, it's not going to be perfect, but it will definitely lessen the breakage. So that's what I've been doing for a while now, and it's been working. So definitely you can try that out too. Now it's time to apply the Isoplus Deep Repair Conditioner to my hair, and I'm going to be removing a few spoonfuls from the jar and put it into a mixing bowl, and this will eliminate any contamination because I won't be using it straight from the jar. If you were counting, I only use 3 spoonfuls. So instead of using an applicator brush, I'll be using my fingers to apply it to my hair. So today it's all about the finger application. So I'll be using my fingers to apply it to my hair, and I'm applying it all the way from the root all the way down to the end of the hair shaft. Let me know in the comment section if you have ever used this product or have you ever seen this product. Let me know in the comment section, and of course share your results if you have ever used this product. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give the video a like, as this does help my channel a lot. And if you have not yet subscribed, then what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. On this channel is all about relaxed hair care, so if that's something that you're interested in, then of course go ahead and subscribe. Now that I've finished applying the product to my hair, this is how it's looking, and it does has a lot of slip, so that's something good. So now I'm going to pin it up so that it doesn't fall down, and I'm going to put a steam cap, cover it with a steam cap rather, and I'm going to leave it on my hair for 10 minutes, and that's the allotted time that is on the bottle. Once the time is up, I remove the steam cap, of course, and this is how the hair is looking, so you can still see the product on the hair. So I'm going to rinse it out, and then I'm going to towel blot my hair, and of course, you know, for my end result, to dry my hair, I am going to roller set my hair. These are the products that I'll be using to roller set my hair. I'll be using the Tresemme Heat Protector and the Simi Mousse. Once I've completed my roller set, I'll be sitting under a hood dryer to dry my hair, and of course I'll wrap it. So the results are in. This is the next day and I'm going to unwrap it and let's talk about the result. So after my hair was dried, I comb it down and it did feel dry. So I had to add a small amount of moisturizer onto my hair, and I also had some grapeseed oil over it just to give it some added sheen. I also used the Motion hair gloss as mentioned earlier for a purpose of sheen. But overall, the product does not feel sticky, does not feel like there's any residue or anything that is left on my hair. So it does feel nice, especially since I added those other maintenance products to my hair. So how would I rate this product? I definitely would not tell you to go out and buy this product, especially if you're suffering from dryness or your hair is looking or having a dry appearance. Because even right now, after I've added those products previously, now that I'm examining my hair does have a dry appearance. It doesn't feel dry, but it does look dull. So if you struggle with having dull appearance here, then definitely this product would definitely not be for you. But what I'm going to do the next time I use this product, I am going to use a non-sulfate shampoo for the entire shampoo period instead of using a shampoo that contains sulfate. And then I'm going to see what it is like, so that I can give another update as to whether or not you need to use more moisturizing product with this particular deep conditioner. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some more of the grapeseed oil just to add some more sheen so that it can look nice and shiny. So you can see that it's not looking dry anymore. It is actually looking nice and shiny. And the good thing about this grapeseed oil is that you just need a small amount and it won't weigh down your hair, unless of course you use a lot, but I just use a small bit. So you can see the sheen in the hair now. So as long as you're using that product, you're going to need something to give you some amount of added sheen for sure. So let's comb it now with our white tooth comb. Okay, so it's looking much better now. All right, there you go. So I'll just say, just hold off a bit before you go out and buy this particular product. And I'm going to do another video, as I mentioned earlier, where I'm going to be using the non-sulfate shampoo right throughout the entire shampoo process. Then use this product again and then see how it works and give you another update. And then after that, I can tell you whether or not if this is a good buy